Ladies and gentlemen, if you are missing out on crypto trading, then I'm telling you right now, today is your day. You have a massive amount of opportunity, especially with the bull run right here happening right now. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, as stated, welcome back to the channel. We have what is known as Nereus.finance, and as stated, you can simply just call it Nereus Finance. Now, I want you guys to understand there is a big opportunity, especially in the markets today. So why do I say this? Well, we're currently in the bull run, and a lot of people believe that the bull run is not going to be ending technically till the end of 2025, which means you still got a whole year and a half to go to catch some massive gains. So today, you guys, I want you to understand, as stated, we're diving down into what is known as Nereus Finance. And if you guys don't know anything about this, this is technically like a cutting edge decentralized trading platform with centralized exchange like performance, which expresses everything. So we're talking about things such as experience the future of derivatives, trading on Polygon with Nereus, right? You can even elevate your trading with up to say 70x instant executions and gasless experience. So some of this right here, you guys, is going to be very, very, very critical that you guys understand that there is a big opportunity here, considering the fact that this is also secured, right? It is secured and decentralized, and we're talking about with Polygon, right? And we're talking about with Ethereum. Not only that, you guys, but transaction speeds are incredible here. Polygon Matic is literally one of the best blockchains, right? We got Polygon, and then you have Solana, which is definitely dominating in meme coins right now. But whenever it comes to Polygon, I want you guys to understand that the transactions here, you guys, are literally over like 5,000 per second. Not only that, but they have like sub 10 milliseconds exchange latency, which is very, very, very quick as well. So once again, you're going to be able to experience a gasless transactions, right? So seamless trading without the burden of gas fees. And gas fees are absolutely crazy right now, especially on, say, Bitcoin. Not only that, but Ethereum. So like I stated, Solana and Polygon, literally the best. So whenever it comes to this use case, Polygon is going to be the best. So you guys will see right here, we definitely got like trading precision, which is very important. We got the minimal latency as stated, you guys. Okay, so technically it's in between 10 to 25 milliseconds exchange latency, right? And then we got the cross-chain flexibility, which is very easy, right? You can actually deposit and withdraw from your preferred chain, which is good. And we even have the gasless transactions. Okay, so there's a lot of things here to mention, guys. You'll see right here that they definitely have like a proven track record, right? So obviously trust is paramount. So with a battle-tested team of professionals, operational resilience since 2022, proven track record of developing secure and efficient DeFi protocols, they've processed hundreds of millions in transactions. That's actually very, very, very good, okay? So I want you guys to understand, they definitely have like a unique value proposition here, okay? So they have what is called isolated margin, okay? We'll talk more about that here in a few moments, but I want you guys to understand that it literally, we got right here, leverage your trades up to say 70x with zero price impact, opening unprecedented opportunities in cryptocurrencies, Forex, and commodities, right? You guys will actually see that right there, right? So we got 70x, you guys, right? So I want you guys to understand that basically Nereus is, they're addressing the needs to today's traders, okay? So for example, you guys, I want you guys to understand, as stated, meme coins are blowing up like crazy, right? They're rising like crazy. So this is definitely a hot topic right now. And whenever it comes to Nereus, you guys, they're keeping up with market trends, adding meme coins to their overall platform, which is actually really cool, right? So they got a lot more cool things that are coming very soon. So as stated, you guys, we have what is known as isolated margin, right? So we're talking about precision control over trade exposure, okay? You're going to be able to tailor your trade size and exposure with isolated margin feature for strategic positioning. As stated, they got up to 70x leverage, which is actually really good, right? With zero price impact. Not only that, but they got a broad list of assets. As stated, guys, meme trading, meme coins are big today. And they even got a ZK powered layer 2 launching, right? So you guys will just see like there's a lot of stuff here, okay? Even down at the bottom, you can see it talks a little bit about their overall ecosystem. We got lending, borrowing, right? We got NXUSD, stablecoin, then we got LP token staking, we even have NXUSD earn, right? There's a lot of things. So how exactly does this work? I mean, that's a great question. First things first, you're going to go right up here. Okay, you're going to be able to go to launch the app. Now, once you launch the app, you guys are going to see up here, very top right, you're going to be able to connect your wallet, right? So that's the first thing that you need to do. So for example, let's say we have MetaMask. Let's go ahead and connect really quick, just so you guys can see exactly how this works, right? So it is pretty simple. I mean, most of you guys should already know exactly how this stuff works, but you're just going to go to next, going to go to connect, and that is it. And then it's going to ask you, depending on, you know, whatever blockchain you're on, it's going to ask you to go over to Polygon, right? So very easy and simple. And you guys can now see at the very top right, I'm officially connected. Now remember, you got like MetaMask, you got Wallet Connect, Coinbase Wallet, you even have a Coca Wallet. You got a lot of different wallets, okay? Now, one of the cool things here, you guys, is I want you to understand is, as stated, that they do have this leverage. Look at this. You can adjust this. Okay, so there's an opportunity basically to set profit and stop loss as well when you're doing this, but I want you guys to understand that you can adjust this. Okay, so if you'd like to, right, if you'd like to be just a small little trader, you got 3x, but if you'd like to be a whale, then you can go to what is known as 70x, right, which is pretty important. Okay, and you guys can even see it right over here. If we actually take a look on the left, you guys will see that we actually have a drop down and we have a lot of different tokens here. Remember, you guys, they are keeping up with the cryptos, right? They're keeping up with cryptos. They're going to be adding a lot, right? There's going to be a lot of assets that are going to be launched hopefully here soon in the future, right? So you guys, like I said, you can just go right here, right? And you can select different assets. So for example, we can click on, say, Solana, and you guys can see that right there. And you guys can just kind of scroll down and just see everything that they have to offer. Okay, so there is definitely a lot here, which is actually really, really, really good. Okay, now I also want you guys to see, whenever it comes to the chart, I mean, has a lot of advanced tools for traders. Basically, it's going to be able to help you, right, improve your trading strategies and also to make some profit. So for example, let's say if we want to, we can see Solana definitely looking really good here, but we have a nice, beautiful uptrend. So even though we might be coming back down a little bit in back testing, I want you guys to understand that probably anywhere in these areas could be a great opportunity to pick it up, especially with some leverage, right? And then you can even ride the wave to the upside, right? So there's a lot of things that are happening here, okay? Now, if you guys do not know, I want you guys to understand that they do provide, say, a Nereus trading guide. So basically how to deposit, trade, and withdrawal. It's pretty easy and simple. Number one, access the platform, connect your wallet as I showed you. Number two, you need to initiate deposit, right? You need to click on deposit at the top right corner of the screen, enter the amount of USDT that you wish to deposit, and click approve deposit USDT. They even have cross-chain deposits that will be available soon. So for example, if we go back, you guys can actually see right here, we have deposit, and you're gonna be able to enter the amount. Now, I believe since this is connected to Polygon Matic, that you need to have USDT on the Polygon network, if I'm correct here. And then if we actually take a look, we got wallet approval. So basically you need to approve it. You need to confirm the deposit, right? Confirm the deposit. You guys can see right there, check the status. Deposit will appear under the activity tab as pending. So basically you're gonna wait for 200 confirmations to credit your deposit to your balance, ensuring against blockchain rollbacks, right? Makes sense. Then we got opening positions. So basically you're gonna select an instrument, right? You're gonna be able to choose, once again, the crypto that you would like to choose. And you guys can see that right there, right? And basically you're gonna configure the position. So question is are you gonna be going short or are you gonna be going long, right? So basically you guys will see long, that means that you're betting that the price is going up, and short basically means that you're betting that the price is going down, right? You can clearly see that, right? So pretty easy and simple, okay? You guys can even see down here, there's a lot more stats as well, like collateral, right? We got profit, loss, we got open price, and we even have rollover fees. So you guys can see that we even have like activity, right? We even have history, a whole bunch of stuff here. And yeah, pretty easy and simple to understand. And then if you continue down, you guys will see right here, open position. So for example, you can click long, say Bitcoin, right? Review your position parameters as they're doing, right? So which is pretty easy and simple. You can kind of see that right there, right? A little, it's a little blurry, but yeah, pretty easy and simple. Then after that, signature required, then position, it is open. And closing position, navigate to positions, right, which should be at the very bottom, as you guys can kind of see there. And there should be a button basically where you can close, right? So you're going to be able to close your position, which is done instantly with no need for transaction submission or gas fees, which is actually good. And withdrawal funds. So initiate. This is going to be very important. You got to go to the top right corner, enter the USD amount that you would like to withdraw, right? And confirm withdrawal, provide signature, and basically withdrawal proceeds, right? Or process. So we have the activity log as well. So yeah, it's pretty easy and simple. Okay, pretty easy and simple. So there's going to be a lot of things that you can actually do here. Okay, so anyways, ladies and gentlemen, if you guys would like to, be sure to check them out, especially on their social media, right, for the latest news, latest updates, latest announcements. I mean, it's pretty easy and simple, right? Pretty straightforward exactly how to use this. But another thing to mention is that if we actually take a look here, you guys, all you have to do is go right up here to the very top right once again, right? I want you guys to understand there's a lot of things, right? There's a lot of things here. So I want you guys to understand whenever it comes to Nereus, I mean, they're planning to launch points on their platform as well, right? You're going to be able to, they're going to be able to release tokens soon, right? It's a better way of starting the Nereus platform now to get, drops. Not only that, but a lot of things are happening, like a centralized exchange, like performance up to 70x, right? Just a lot of things. So all you got to do is go up here to the very top right once again, click that button. I'm going to highly recommend you guys do that. And then also you guys will go right here. Okay, so just connect your wallet, easy and simple. So there you have it, Crypto Nitro community.